Imagine a dish that brings the vibrant flavors of Greece right to your kitchen. This feta shrimp skillet is quick, easy, and utterly delicious. Start by sautéing juicy shrimp in a hot skillet until they turn a beautiful pink. The aroma will make your mouth water. Next, crumble in creamy feta cheese and add a splash of fresh lemon juice. The tangy cheese melts into the sauce, creating a rich, flavorful blend that clings to every bite. But wait, there's more. Toss in some cherry tomatoes and spinach for a burst of color and nutrients. The tomatoes burst with sweetness, while the spinach wilts down perfectly. It's a feast for the eyes and the taste buds. Serve this masterpiece over fluffy rice or pasta for a comforting meal. Want something lighter? Try zucchini noodles or spaghetti squash instead. They soak up the sauce beautifully and keep it low carb. This feta shrimp skillet is not just a meal. It's a celebration of flavor that transforms a busy weeknight into something special. Don't miss out on this culinary delight.